Before it becomes something we wear, a t-shirt begins far away from closets and stores. It starts in open fields where cotton grows quietly under the sun. Season by season, the plant develops soft fibers shaped by soil, water, and care. When the time is right, those fibers are gently harvested. Some work is done by hand, some by machines, but each step depends on timing and attention. The cotton is collected, light in weight but full of possibility. From the fields, it begins to travel, moving toward places where it will slowly change. This movement connects nature to industry. Stored and prepared, the cotton waits for its next stage. Inside the processing facility, compressed fibers are opened and released. Seeds are carefully removed, leaving behind clean, usable cotton. Air carries the fibers forward, soft and floating. What was once scattered begins to align. The fibers are combed and prepared, ready to become something stronger. Spinning begins. Many fine strands twist together, turning softness into durability. Thread forms continuously, steady and precise. The yarn is complete, organized and ready for fabric. Now the yarn enters another transformation. Machines guide the threads with accuracy, working in quiet rhythm. Fabric forms loop by loop, stretching into a continuous surface. Texture becomes visible, something you can imagine touching. Every section is inspected because consistency matters. The fabric is rolled and prepared for color. Dyeing begins slowly. Color spreads evenly through the material, not rushed, not forced. Excess dye is washed away, leaving balance behind. The fabric dries and the color settles into place. Once more, it is checked to make sure it meets expectations. Now the fabric is ready to become a garment. Large tables receive layered fabric. Patterns are carefully placed and cutting begins. Each piece is separated with precision. Fronts, backs, sleeves, collars. Nothing is accidental. On the sewing floor, focus and movement come together. Panels are joined, sleeves are attached, necklines take shape, side seams close the form. Loose threads are trimmed away, small details that make a difference. The shirt is turned and its shape is revealed. Heat smooths the fabric, setting everything in place. Balance is checked, strength is tested. Final adjustments are made. The t-shirt is complete.
Color and texture
Before
checked
it
under
moves
neutral
on,
light.
it is inspected
Approved
again.
rolls marked visually
Measurements
by
are
placement.
confirmed, color and fabric are reviewed one last time. Only what meets the standard continues forward. The shirt is folded carefully, prepared for protection. Sizes and colors are organized. Tags are added. Packaging keeps it safe during travel. Boxes are filled, sealed, and stored. Transport carries the garment forward, away from the factory. Soon it arrives where people will see it. Displayed on shelves and racks, the process becomes invisible. A customer touches the fabric, checks the fit. A decision is made. Now the journey becomes personal. The t-shirt is worn for the first time. It settles naturally, moving with the body. It becomes part of daily life. And at the end of the day, it rests. From a cotton field to everyday wear, this journey reflects care, patience, and purpose in the things we use every day.